Ready? Hi, this is Nene from Crafted by Nene, and today I wanted to share some of the tools I use while working with styrofoam. I do a lot of styrofoam props. I would probably show some pictures within the video or after. But I just wanted to share some of the tools I use while carving styrofoam. I haven't been using styrofoam for that long, maybe about 2, 3 years. So my experience is not, it's still quite basic. I'm still learning, but I thought it would be helpful to share some of the tools that I use because I also found out tools from other styrofoam covers on the internet on YouTube. So I hope this will be helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So we'll just get right into it. I use styrofoam to make a lot of props, party props. Um, lately or past couple of weeks, we did a lot of styrofoam candy canes, styrofoam cupcakes. We made a lot of stuff from styrofoam. Mushrooms, yeah, that's what I use styrofoam for. So I like working with styrofoam. It's easier for me. It's tedious, but yeah, I find it easier for me to work styrofoam than other sculpting mediums like clay. So I'm just going to go right into it. The first tool I have noticed that has been very helpful is none other than the a cutter, a regular cutter knife. Just get enough blades, and this always helps. The only challenge is it's quite it's not very strong and it's not very long. I think you just get about maybe 6 inches. If I could get something longer and sturdier, I think that would be helpful. But this also it really helps, whether you're beginning or you know basic, advanced level. This is always helpful. The other thing is I don't know what it's called. It's some kind of kitchen knife, but it has this, like rough edges. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's some kind of saw knife, something. But this is very helpful. It's quite sturdy, and it's about, I think this is more than 12 inches long. So it's always very helpful when we're cutting like large chunks of blocks of styrofoam. Another thing which I got was it's a hot knife. I think it's called a hot knife. Yes, I got this on AliExpress. I had posted this video, like an unboxing video of this. If you check my previous videos, I'll link it below. You could get the link to for this. So this is a hot knife. It came with two blades. This one is already pretty rusty. I need to order some new ones. I think it comes in. You can buy different blade. This is detachable. This is about 10 inches. I think it also comes. I also got the 8 inch. It's been very helpful. It's just that when you're using this, you need to mask up because it's not a good smell, and preferably do it outdoors or just in a very airy area. That's for this. Another very handy tool. It's a wire brush. Very important. It helps it takes off corners, so it helps bring out the shape that you're trying to create from a styrofoam. It's very helpful to quickly just get your shape out. That's it. Instead of cutting and chipping off, this just helps you achieve that quickly. Oh yes, you also need a chainsaw. Maybe not something this, depending on the kind of project you're going to be doing, but we also use the chainsaw because sometimes we are working with 8 inch thick or 12-inch thick um, blocks of styrofoam, and this is a 12-inch chainsaw. So there may be some other types, but yeah, we use this. And next is this set I got on AliExpress as well. I think they're called hot wire cutters or something. But they come in, it's a set. This is the cable, and then you have different like pins or something. I'm not sure what they're called. So it comes like this, and then there's this. You know what? I'm going to show. I'm going to plug this just to show you how it works. Once it's hot, this is what it does, and you can literally cut shapes. You've drawn your stuff. Yeah, that's how this works. I'm just going to turn it off because I'm not wearing the protective nose mask. So that I got on AliExpress. I'll try and find the link for that as well. And so something similar to the last thing I showed is this. So this was something we fabricated. It's not perfect yet. We're still working on it. But this was because we needed something bigger than this. So we had to make this. It's still a work in progress. We have used it, but somehow the string is not tight enough. But it's the same. It was just, just like the last one I showed you, but just on bigger slices of styrofoam. Yeah. So that's about. I'm sure there are other tools I didn't mention, but these are the basics. This is what I use when I'm working on a styrofoam. Oh yeah, I didn't show. It's the I have this. So this is just a sander to. But most times I prefer to use. Sometimes I prefer to use a regular sandpaper, with my hand. But if you're working on larger projects, you definitely need a sanding tool. And this, I think I have an unboxing video of this as well with the link, which I'll share below. I hope you liked this video. So if you did, please share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye.